friends, welcome back. It is so hot today that I don't feel like my usual comfort food like all of my pasta dishes, so I've decided I need a refreshing salad. And so I've chosen to fill this bowl with this delicious salad of tomatoes, cucumbers, and radishes with a vinaigrette dressing and mint and green onions also mixed in. So I know you're going to love it. Let's get going. 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, juice from 2 freshly squeezed limes, salt to taste, freshly ground pepper to taste, let's whisk that together. Let's cut our tomatoes into small cubes. I'm using Roma tomatoes. You could use cherry or grape tomatoes also. Let me finish chopping and I'll get back to you. There's our tomatoes, freshly chopped into small bite-sized pieces. That's about a cup, a little over maybe. Let's add those to our salad bowl. Let's chop our cucumber. This is an English cucumber. That's about a half of one. I have another one that we'll use. I cut off the end to remove the bitterness. Then I cut it in half and in quarters. We use the English cucumber because it has fewer seeds. Now let's cut these into bite-sized pieces. I'll do this and get back to you. There we have all of our cucumber chopped into bite-sized pieces, and that's about 1 cup of cucumber, and I would use a full-size English cucumber to come up with that amount. Let's put our cucumber into our salad bowl. Now let's thinly slice our radishes. And I'll go on and do the rest of this off camera. And here are our thinly sliced radishes. That will equal to about 1 cup. Let's add the radishes to the salad bowl. Now let's cut our scallions into thin slivers. I like to do this with scissors. And I've got about 5 stems, actually more like 6, 7 stems. And I'll go on and do the rest of this offline. And there's my green onions, thinly sliced. That's about a half a cup. Let's add the green onions to the salad. Now let's prepare our mint. I also like to do my mint with scissors. I start by pulling the leaves off of the stem. And I pull these little bitty pieces off too. I'll do the rest of these off camera. I have all of the mint leaves pulled off of the stems, and so now I'm going to chop, or I'm going to use my kitchen scissors to cut these into smaller pieces. Now, this is about a half to 3/4 a cup of mint at this point. And the other thing is if you don't have kitchen shears and you decide you would like some, I will have a link down in my description where you can go to Amazon to purchase the shears. You will not pay more by using my link, and I can get a small commission. Let's cut these with the scissors now. Works best if you take a big handful of them at a time. You can get more done quickly. Let's grab a bunch. Now you can see that I'm able to just move through this so much quicker. So I'll do the rest of this off camera. So I have all of my mint cut up into small pieces, and I have about half a cup, a little bit over half a cup. Let's add our mint to the salad. Now let's toss our salad. I want to try and get those pieces of cucumber and tomatoes and radishes into that dressing, coated well. Now let's let our salad sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes at least before we serve it. Our salad is ready. It looks so refreshing. A wonderful salad for summer.